What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cephalon Surgeon. Even though I'm down here in sunny Florida on this GIE Ambassadors trip, there's a hotel room. There's the view. Had to get on here and announce the winner to my giveaway, which apparently only one person even attempted to win. Y'all must not like free cameras, but anywho, let me get the winner. Drum roll. The winner is Nighthawk 868555. That's if I'm too cheap to have sound effects, so that's the audience applause. Anywho, shout out to my man. Thanks for participating in my giveaway. I will be sending you out a GoPro and some other goodies, a nice little goodie box. So I'm gonna see what goodies I got laying around. I know I got some stickers and some other accessories to go with the GoPro. I'm gonna send you that out. Make sure you tag me or send me any videos, because he said he's looking to start his YouTube channel. So man, that makes me feel even better about this giveaway, that I could help inspire someone. He could be the next big YouTube lawn care YouTuber or whatever he's gonna be YouTubing. He could be the next big guy, and I helped him start it out. Don't forget me. That's what my mentor says. When you making $1 million, don't forget who gave you your first GoPro. Anywho, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Maybe next time you guys will actually participate in my giveaway and get a free camera. I don't know. That's up to y'all. Yes, sir.